Today, I'm going to teach you how to make responsive text in Framer. This is incredibly useful when you want your text to automatically adjust and stay centered across different screen sizes, ensuring your design looks polished on any device. First, head over to framer.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, simply click on the project where you want to make your text responsive. This opens up your design workspace where we'll be making all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're inside your project, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and click on Layers. The Layers panel is essential for navigating through all the elements in your design, making it easy to select and modify specific components. This is where you'll be able to see the structure of your entire project laid out clearly. Next, click on Stack to select all of the text elements within that stack. A stack is a container that groups multiple elements together, making it easier to control their behavior as a unit. Once you've selected the stack, shift your focus to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Layout, and just beneath it, there's an option called Align. Go ahead and set this to center. This ensures that all the text within the stack will align to the center of its container, which is the first step in making your text truly responsive. Now, let's refine the individual text elements. On the left side, click directly on the first text element within the stack. Once it's selected, focus again on the right side of the screen where you'll find the text alignment options. Make sure to set the text alignment to center as well. This step is crucial because it ensures that not only is the stack centered, but the text inside each element is also centered within its own boundaries. Repeat this process for any other text elements inside that stack. Click each text layer individually on the left, then adjust its alignment to center on the right. This consistency across all your text elements is what creates that seamless, responsive experience. Now comes the moment to test your work. Try resizing your website or project by dragging the canvas edges or using the preview mode. As you adjust the viewport, you'll notice that your text remains perfectly centered and responsive, automatically adapting to different screen sizes while staying aligned. This creates a professional, polished look that works beautifully across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully made your text responsive in Framer, ensuring it always stays centered no matter the screen size. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.